We've had a look at attributes with blocks. We're now going to take a look at tables in a bit more depth. For that, we've got a new drawing for you. It's called simpleobjects.dwg, and it is exactly that. It is a drawing that contains three simple objects. They are a rectangle, a circle, and a hexagon. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to create a slightly more advanced table style to use with these three shapes, and you'll see where we're going with this as we work through the next few videos. So we're in the Home tab on the ribbon. Just make sure that you have the tables layer current, because we'll be placing our table obviously on the tables layer. And I'm just going to pop here to the annotation flyout and select table style there on the little pop out there. That'll open up the table style dialog box, and we're going to click on new. Now the new style is going to be called shape areas, like so, and we're going to start with standard. It's the only one we've got to start with. Click on continue. Now there's a lot of stuff going on in the new table style dialog box. You can change the table direction. So you've got down and up there, you'll notice. So when you go to up, the title is obviously going at the bottom, and then you're going up the table. Ideally, you want that to be set to down. We've got our traditional data header title cell styles. You can, if you want to, create a new cell style and give it a name, and it can be data, header, or title. And you can also manage your cell styles. Now, at the moment, we've only got data, header, title. You can add new ones to that. And then when you start creating here, you can start with different cell types in the cell styles. Now, I'm not going to worry about any of that. We're just going to stick with our three traditional ones: title, header, data. Now, we're going to select title first. And we're going to work our way across three tabs for each of the cell styles. So in the general, we're not going to have a fill color. We're going to middle center it. And as you can see, the format is general. If I click there, I can change the data types if I want to and create different table cells from that as well. It is a label, so that means that formulas cannot be applied to it. And we'll look at formulas and fields and things in a moment. Now, we're going to be making the text and things a bit bigger, so you want to make these margins 25. And then when we click on the text here, you'll notice it starts to look a bit weird on the preview. Don't worry about that. Text style, we'll leave as standard. Text height is going to be 150. Text color, make sure that's by layer. Text angle 0 for horizontal. The borders can all remain as they are. We're then going to jump up to the headers. Click on the general tab. Again, fill color none, alignment middle center, format general. Again, it's going to be a label, not data. Set your margins to 25. And then go to the text. Text style standard. Text height will be 125 for the headers. Text color will also be by layer. Text angle 0 to keep it horizontal. Borders again can remain as they are. And then last but not least, we'll go to data, go to the general tab. And again, these properties will remain fill color none. We'll change the alignment. I prefer it middle center. And you'll notice it's still general, but the type is data. So you can use formulas on data. So again, we'll set the margins to 25 for each one. And then we'll jump across to text, standard text style, text height 100, text color by layer, text angle 0, borders remain the same. So now you can see we've got a reasonable table there. You can see it all looks good. That's all fine. So we can now OK that. And we've now got our shape areas table style in there ready to go. So we can set that as current and close the table style dialog box, and we're ready to start thinking about bringing our table into our AutoCAD drawing.